Hey guys, Nitin here, and I hope all of you guys are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can top up into Crypto Future or how to buy your first package into Crypto Future. So, first of all, you have to have your login credentials. Suppose if you don't have them, like your username and password, if you don't have them, just go in the description of this video and you will find a link. You can click on there and you will when you click on that link, this page will open up, and after that you just have to fill out your details like your name, email id, cell phone number with the country code of your country, and the username which you will be using during sign in, and the password. So the sponsor is autofill, so leave it as it is. Click on I read and agree with terms and conditions. If you want to read out the terms and conditions, you just click on there and you can read out all the terms and conditions of the Crypto Future. Just click on this link, fill out all the details, and click on register. You will get the details, your credentials on your email after receiving the credentials. So, in my case, this is my new ID which I'm supposed to top up in the future. So, just click on sign in after entering your details, your username and password. After that, you have to sign in just. Okay, so here is your dashboard. Here it will show you the balance in your wallet and your earnings and the network, the people on your left, the right, and the business over here, 8% binary which you will be getting. And yeah, here it shows the 300% amount, which is the max cap in Crypto Future. So to buy your first package or to top up your ID, just click on packages on the top left corner, and yeah, you will get the options over here. Most people will go with the $50, but I'll suggest you to start with the $100 at least for the minimum. If you just want to try it out, start it with the $100, and just click on start, and after that you will see that is a one time $10 fees. So in future you will not have to, like in future if you upgrade to $500 or $1000, then you don't have to pay the $10 fee for the second time. During the in the payment method, you have to click on Litecoin. Bitcoin is very slow right now. The network is very slow and the fees are also very high. So click on Litecoin, and that will be perfect. Then click on normally click on buy, and it will show you the details, the QR code and the amount of Litecoin you have to transfer. So yeah, here it is. Here we have the details. So this is the QR code. You have to scan it from your exchange or crypto wallet, and this is the wallet address, and this is the amount which you have to enter, which you have to send. So keep in mind, if you are using any exchange like Binance or Wazirex in India, then you have to have keep in mind that this during the exchange, like in exchange, this is the amount which you have to pay, plus add the fees, because in most of the exchanges they don't add the fees, they don't add it up, and so in this case the fee is 0.001 LTC. So the total amount which is going to be this, the plus amount and the second amount plus, so both of we, if you add both of them, then it will come out to be 6.63, sorry, 640,132. So ultimately this is the amount which you have to send to the same wallet address, because in this amount, this will, your fee will get deducted, this fee will get deducted, and this will be the amount which is going to the Crypto Future. So I hope you got the point. So, and also if you are facing any issue during top up, kindly, there is a WhatsApp link in the description below. Just click on that and I will guide you step by step how to top up. So this is the whole video, and I hope you got clear, you got the clear idea how to top up and how to buy the first package into Crypto Future. And if you have any other doubts regarding Crypto Future, just comment down below or WhatsApp me. We will get in touch and I'll help you out. Thank you and have a nice day.